Why'd you make everything everywhere green?
I know it's all normally green. And yeah, I think it's a bit much.
Thing was, we actually woke up real early. Manny was trying to fix our ship. We sadly made the tree scared because Manny made too much noise, then its leaves went reddish and fell down. We painted the leaves that fell down and tried sticking them back, but...
Yeah, I gotta say, we did paint a bit too much.
It's normal that the leaves change colors because the season of autumn is upon us.
Autumn season?
That's right, it's autumn now. Our world turns around the sun, and sometimes it gets close to the sun, and sometimes away from it. The weather gets warm as it nears the sun, and summer comes. Autumn comes as it starts to move away again.
So then it wasn't our fault then.
Of course not, guys. Come on, turn it back to its old self. You'll see that there are many wondrous colors you're missing out on. Come on, Manny. Make the leaves the color of autumn again.
Manny, Maddie, they come from somewhere